Today I'm going to answer a question a lot of people ask. Can you see who has viewed your X, formerly Twitter, profile? The short answer is no. You cannot see the specific names of people who viewed your profile. X does not provide a feature that shows you exactly who visited your profile, and it does that to protect user privacy. So if you were hoping to open X and find a hidden viewer list, that option simply does not exist. If this video helps clear things up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now let's break this down a little more. On Vice, you may notice analytics, impressions, replies, likes, reposts, profile visits, and other engagement metrics, but those numbers are not the same as a list of individual people. Impressions tell you how many times your post was seen. Profile visits can sometimes show you how many times your profile was opened, but not by whom. That means you might know your account is getting attention, but you will never get a private list of exact viewers. This is an important distinction because a lot of third-party apps and websites claim they can show you who viewed your X profile. In most cases, those claims are misleading, unsupported, or unsafe. X does not officially offer that feature, so any app promising to reveal your profile visitors should be treated with caution. It could be trying to collect your login details, spam your account, or simply show fake results. So the safest answer is this: no, you cannot see who specifically viewed your X profile, and you should not trust services that say otherwise. If you want to understand your account performance, the better approach is to use X Analytics to look at post engagement, profile visits, follower growth, and impressions. That gives you useful information without risking your account security. So to summarize, X protects viewer privacy, does not reveal individual profile visitors, and does not provide a built-in way to see exactly who checked your profile. If you were looking for that feature, now you know the truth. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple answers to social media questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.